Bersia-sia jumpa burung merpati di atas wayar. Saya Zahir Safwan, tour guide Budi Pekerti akan membawa anda bersia-sia. Hi guys, my name is Zahir Safwan bin Muhammad Saufi and my tour guide ID is F2018. So, we will explore this scenic hilltop neighborhood known for its nature, luxury and history named Bukit Antarabangsa. This place open from 7 AM to 12 AM. So, let's begin our adventure. As you guys see here, you will notice the peaceful atmosphere and cool breeze. Quite a contrast to busy Kuala Lumpur, but Bukit Antarabangsa is home to celebrities, diplomats and business elite with modern home blending into nature. Behind me is one of the best viewpoint of the Kuala Lumpur skyline, especially at sunset. Many homes here are designed to capture this stunning view. Bukit Antarabangsa was developed as a high-end retreat, yet is just a short drive from Ampang and the city's Golden Triangle. Okay guys, here's a fun fact about Bukit Antarabangsa. It sits about 300 meters above sea level, making it a few degrees cooler than the city, like a natural air conditioner. For your information, this area has been featured in Malaysia's drama. Its scenic setting a luxurious home and nature vibe make it a great place for a drama shooting and wedding photo. Look guys, there's a lot of cars parking here. There's also have motorcycle parking too. So guys, that brings us to the end of our tour. I hope you have enjoyed discovering Bukit Antarabangsa and its hidden charm. While mainly a residential area, it's a peaceful retreat with stunning nature and views. Thank you guys for joining me today. I hope to see you guys on another adventure. Hope to see you guys again. Bye.